shade. Hypocrite now. Hypocrite till the sun come down. Hypocrite. You can't sponsor. Ekurole. Mabinu. Aburo. Egbon. Your professionalism will be tested. Can you see? This is what she does all the time. Give me your. To tell your client to put their lipstick. I'll put your face.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got sort of like a transformation video of Vicky. Yes, she was feeling herself. I don't know what she was feeling like, but anyways, let's just get straight into it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by priming off her face. Priming, as you guys know from my previous video, I explained in detail how it's very vital and important to prime the face before you start any makeup application. Then we're going to move on to foundation. I mixed a couple of foundations, Nars, and I believe that was Lancome. I'll put the shades down in the description box so that you guys can check it out. I mixed both of them shades together and I decided to apply the foundation all over her face, not forgetting both her ears and her neck and her chest. But I kind of left that bare because she kind of has like chest acne, but it's not, we're in the house, we're not going anywhere, so nobody's going to see it, you understand? So there's no need to cover chest acne like that. So yeah, let's just roll with the flow and then just use my beauty blender to just go back in to get rid of any excess foundations that's just sitting on the skin that just wants to be a nuisance. Going into concealer, I am mixing Nuban Beauty and Kevyn concealer. Jesus, I use my expensive concealer on this girl. She'll be grateful. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, I'm just going to apply that on the highest point of her face. If you watch my previous video, I explained everything in detail as well. Under her eyes, forehead, bridge of her nose, cupid's bow. Apply the concealer all over those areas. So now I'm contouring with the Juvias Place foundation stick. I can't remember the shade I used for her, but we used the shade and it worked. And I'm just going to contour over her face. Then it's time for me to blend out the concealer because I left it to get tacky for a little bit. And I'm just going to blend that out using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Guys, make sure you blend like the whole world depends on that blending. Just blend. Please, can somebody tell me what this girl is feeling like? Like, why is she feeling herself like this? But anyways, moving on. We're going to set the highlighted areas. So I'm going to be using my powder palette from Zikel. This is, I believe, their dark powder palette, something like that. I can't remember the name, but I'll put in the description box as usual, guys. And I'm just going to use that to set everywhere that I apply concealer on. Then I moved into Ben 9 banana powder because, you know, right now that is a fave. And then I'm just going to apply it and use it to set. And then I'm going back into the skin and I'm going to be using the same powder palette in a powder shade to powder up all her face. For reference, guys, Vicky has a very oily skin, and if I didn't hurry up and powder her face, it would have been a disaster. I went back in to use the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r in Mocha Maami, and I just used that to bronze up or contour her face. And yeah, I'm just using that to contour, you know, just to get the face snatched. And obviously girls got to do a little bit of a reverse contour to make a girl's face look, you know, a little bit, you know, slimmer. We're not going to pretend like we haven't been eating and gaining weight on these cheeks, but it's okay, Vicky, I see you. I'm trying to help your ministry. So then go back in again and apply some setting powder underneath the eyes. to catch the fallout for my eyeshadow application. And then we're going to move on to brows. I am using Beauty Line by Didi's brow pencil. This is like a waxy kind of brow pencil. Oh, I love it, guys. This brow pencil is amazing. So I applied that over brows. Obviously I carved the brows out. She would not let me carve her brows because obviously we're in quarantine, and this brows is bougie and bushy AF. And then I'm just gonna go in and basically I maneuvered these brows. I finessed it. That's the word, actually. I finessed these brows. Going in with my MAC Gel Boy, I tinted her brows a little bit. Then went in, use a brow tamer to just, lay those bad boys, those hair in place. You can use a head control, to be honest, just lay those edges. Then went into the eyes and I applied the NYX Jumbo pencil. And then we're using this lovely creations of Juvias Places and Morphe's eyeshadow palette to create this look. And initially, guys, I got confused between purple and blue. I did not know what color was. I was colorblind for a minute, but I kind of made a mistake with this eye look, but then I made it work. But I'm proud of the way it came out. Anyways, this eye look, just keep looking. It was kind of like an halo eye that we went for, and then we smudged the waterline, which I forgot to record, with purple eyeliner from Urban Decay. I'll put it down in the description box. The pigment we used in the middle of the eyes was from Luminous Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand, but then I went over it because I didn't really like the way it looked. It was blending in too much with the colors I used in the crease area and the inner and outer corners. So I went in with using an Inglot pigment to just literally give it that pop. Applied lashes. My lashes are always from AliExpress, guys. If you don't know about AliExpress, get to know. I'll link this particular one in the description box. Then I applied a bit of eyeliner. Oh, look at those eyes. Go back in, dust off the excess powder and the reverse contour. And yeah, we're just going to powder up and make a fine girl look fine. Apply some blusher, apply some more bronzer, apply some more highlighters. Let everything be on check, let everything be on flick. And then, as you guys can see, I'm sure some people already spotted the mistake I made on the brows that you guys can see right now, the left brows, I believe. I went back in to correct it because I saw it and it bugged me. I was like, how can I make such a silly mistake? So I corrected it. As you guys can see over there, I'm correcting the mistake now. So then moving into the lips, I used the combination of brown lip liner, pink lipstick, lip gloss, Kiko lip gloss, a whole combination, guys. I'm going to leave it in the description bar, like I said. Okay, a little bit of highlighter to make her feel like a glazed donut, bronze goddess, and that. Look at the way she's looking. Look at that. Jero, come on, give it to them. Then I went back in with some highlighter sprays or dewy sprays or shimmer oils and that from Anastasia, and Anastasia shimmer oil is the truth, and then my TM essential glow body mist. And yes, there we have it, guys, looking like a snack, a full course meal, or a whole buffet rather.
Please do not forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as well. No thumbs down, please. No hating, guys, okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please also subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Share this video, okay? And also there's a bell somewhere on the left or right. That's if you want to receive updates and be the first person to know when Simi releases any new videos, please click on that so you can get a notification, okay? Love you. Mwah.